Hi, I'm Susan. Welcome to my home and studio at Windy Acre Cottage. It's a 100-year-old craftsman cottage where I love to paint and garden and entertain and care for all my wonderful fur babies, both those that are adopted and all the little fosters. It's also my home base for many fun adventures of the art, history, and gardening kind. Here's a little close-up of my signature using the sculpting tool. Do you see how I just carve it right into the wet paint? It looks like my regular signature if I was using a ballpoint pen on paper. And that is so difficult to do using a small paintbrush and paint. In fact, if you decide to paint your name on there, please practice first. Thank you for joining me today. Just reach out if you have any questions, and if you post your paintings on social media, please tag me because I'd love to see your work.